some homemade ravioli. It's my first time making it. I am so excited. I will be using my new pasta attachment on my KitchenAid mixer. Of course, you could do the ravioli without a KitchenAid mixer, but it's gonna require more effort. I'm wearing this pasta and vino sweater. I feel like it fits the occasion. So I'm putting 2.5 cups of 00 flour, and then I'm gonna put 4 eggs in the center. For my ravioli filling, I am mixing 3 cheeses: Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, and ricotta cheese. And put some pepper and salt to your liking. While my ravioli is boiling, I'm preparing the sauce. I've added 1 tablespoon of butter to this pan. I'm going to add some lemon. Now for a taste test. It's really good. I love the lemon butter sauce that I made. It's so good. I did grate some pecorino romano and some lemon zest to put on top. It was a lot of work. It probably took me like more than 2 hours to make this. I was recording, but now that I know how to make it, next time will be a lot faster. And yeah, I'm enjoying learning how to cook new recipes and bringing you guys along. So I got this beautiful pet collar for my dog Chanel. I also got one for my other dog, Royce. It's coming in the mail. I just had to try it on before I ordered it to make sure I got the right size for him. And I think it's so beautiful. It's in black leather, so it's really nice. So cute with their haircuts. I like how they give them these pet bandanas. And look at Chanel's. It's a beautiful floral one, perfect for spring. Hi everyone. I just picked up my dogs from the grooming salon. We're gonna go on a walk. It's a gorgeous spring day today. And so come along. out more often, and it's spring weather, so it's perfect right now, and everything's in full bloom, so it's just so gorgeous. I'm gonna color. I bought this beautiful coloring book from Amazon. It's full of coloring pages of girls doing girly things like shopping and horse riding. And I bought myself a lot of Crayola products. I got some twistables, some colored pencils, a big tub of crayons. As soon as I opened it, I got a big scent of nostalgia. I was like, this smells like childhood. And it brings back so many good memories of being a kid, elementary school, and coloring. I bought myself the big packs of all these Crayola products. It's fun being a kid inside with adult money. And this is making me very happy. I always loved coloring, and I think this is a very relaxing and peaceful way to end the night.